Filling out your business profile on Payoneer is crucial for ensuring smooth transactions and compliance with regulations. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you complete your profile effectively. Log into your Payoneer account. Visit the Payoneer website and log in using your credentials. Access the settings. Click on your profile picture or the gear icon in the upper right corner to access the settings menu. Select Business Profile. In the settings menu, look for Business Profile or a similar option. Click on it to start filling out your details. Enter business information. Provide necessary details such as your business name, type, and registration number. Include your business address, website, and any relevant tax information. Describe your business. Write a brief description of your business activities. Be clear about what products or services you offer. Upload required documents. Depending on your business type, you may need to upload documents like business registration certificates or tax identification numbers. Review and save. Double-check all entered information for accuracy and click Save to complete the process.